discussed how to install Python software and what is Python. In this video, we will be writing our first Python program in three different ways. Generally, we have command prompt method, and we can also write our Python code in ideally graphics window, and also we can write our Python program into a file and make the code run. So first, let's see how to write a program, our Python program in a command prompt. So for that purpose, just click on the Windows button and search for command prompt. And as you can see, our command prompt window has been opened. So here just enter the type Python and enter it. So now the Python software has been upgraded to this command prompt window. So now we are all set to write our first Python program. So generally when the beginners try to write their first Python program, generally most of the programmers write hello world program as their first program. So let's try something new, like let's try I am Iron Man. See, the I am Iron Man has been printed on a command prompt window. So for any Python program, first we need to write a print statement. First we have to write print, then open a bracket and double quotes, and here we can mention whatever we want to print and also close the double quotes as well as the brackets. So and click enter. In this manner, our Python program runs in command prompt window. We can also perform numerical operations like 2 into 4, which gives us 8. So this is one method of writing Python programs in command prompt window. So now let's check how to write Python program in a ideally graphics window. So for that purpose, just go to the Windows button and search for ideally and open it. So here as you can see, our ideally shell has been opened. In the same manner like how we have written our code on command prompt window, just in the same manner let's try to write in ideally graphics window. Print, bracket and double quotes, and hello world, close our double quotes and bracket and click. Make sure you save the program which has been written. Let's say first program .py. Here .py is the extension file which is used to tell about the Python program, or which indicates that this file is of Python code. So as we have saved the file, now just click on enter. Here our code runs without giving any errors. So in this way we can write our Python program in ideally shell. Also we can write by creating a new file, like just click on the file, select new file, and make sure you save this file or give it a name so that it can be opened whenever we want by searching its name. So like as in our command prompt window we have used like Iron Man, so let's give this as marvel.py. So here as you can see that marvel.py, here the file name has been saved. So now let's try the same code again. Print I am Iron Man, close the double quotes and bracket. So here you save the code, or you can also press Ctrl S as a shortcut key to save this code. And when you click on run button, just select the run module, and here as you can see our code has been successfully executed. So in this manner we can run our Python program codes in a three different ways. So I hope this video is helpful and we have learned how to execute the Python codes, and also in previous video we have also discussed about installation. So I hope this video is helpful, and please do like, share and subscribe.